This is question number 7 on the January 2017 Algebra 2 Common Core Regents, and this is a laws of exponents question. So let's do a really quick brief on those. We have x to the a times x to the b is x to the a plus b. X to the a divided by x to the b is x to the a minus b. And x to the a all to the b is x to the a b, or a times b. Also, we have x to the negative a is 1 over x to the positive a, and from that we can also derive that if we have x over y to the negative a, we have that equivalent to y over x to the positive a. So the first thing I'm going to notice here is that I do have a fraction with a negative exponent. So m squared for m to the 1/3 to the negative 1/2. I'm going to use the final rule here to flip that over. Make it m to the 1/3 over m squared to the positive 1/2. And now you have a couple of different directions you can go. You can either distribute that power in, because we have another rule here. If I have x over y to the a, that's as good as x to the a over y to the a. Or we can do the inside first using this subtraction rule and then raise that to the 1/2. I'm going to work with the inside first. So I'm going to change that using this rule to m to the 1/3 minus 2. And that is all still raised to the 1/2. Now, 1/3 minus 2, we can either put that in the calculator, or we can say, okay, 1/3 minus 2, multiply this by 3 over 3. We get 1/3 over minus 6/3. I did that to get common denominators, and that is negative 5/3. So this is m to the negative 5/3, all still raised to the 1/2. Now we're going to use this rule because I have a power to a power. So I have m to the negative 5/3 times 1/2. And that is going to be m to the negative 5/6. Now we're going to come back to the rule we used at the beginning, except now I'm going to use the simpler reciprocal rule to change this to 1 over m to the positive 5/6. Finally, we have one more law of exponents we need to remember. If we have x to a fractional exponent, a over b, that is the b root of x to the a. So we take the denominator, move it here to the root, and we take the numerator and move it to an exponent. So here I'm going to take the denominator, 6, move it to the root, or the index, and then raise it to the 5th power as here. And that answer is going to be choice 2.